In this video, I'm going to walk you through a comparison of ChatGPT, Perplexity, and Claude to help you decide which AI tool is best for your specific needs. I'll start by looking at this 2025 comparison guide, which highlights that while all three are powerful, they each shine in very different areas. As I scroll through the summary, I can see that ChatGPT remains the versatile all-rounder for coding and general tasks. Looking at the pricing and plans, most of these Pro versions sit at around $20 a month, but the specific features included are what really set them apart. I'm focusing on the model strengths here, noting that Claude has recently been upgraded to Opus 4.1 for better reasoning, while ChatGPT is rolling out its latest GPT-5 features. Next, I'm moving down to the file upload and context window section. I can see that Claude is particularly impressive for handling massive documents like entire books or legal contracts without losing the thread of the conversation. ChatGPT still holds its own with multimodal features like advanced voice mode and image generation, which I'm looking at here in the feature breakdown. To wrap things up, I'll see how these tools fit into a professional workflow, such as using them to summarize meeting transcripts or organize research notes. It's clear that the best choice depends on whether I prioritize creative drafting, deep research, or a balanced assistant for everyday tasks. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.